Hi guys.
You want a picture?
You want a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can get in the camera with mommy? Alright, so he's gonna say hey really quick. Okay, yeah. Alright, so we are going to get rid of my newborn's eczema together. My toddler is not, he's not with this video. Yes? Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so my newborn, oh my gosh, Emmanuel, move, get out of here, get away. Alright, so my newborn, well, more than newborn, but anyways, he has dry skin.
Mommy.
Yeah. And it was pretty bad all over him. I've been able to, oh my gosh, I've been able to get it to calm down on his, everywhere on his body except for his arms. Like his arms are still pretty bad. Like, let me show you. Like this little dry spot here, like where did it come from? Make an oatmeal mix, oatmeal bath for him.
No.
You want some oatmeal?
Yeah.
You hungry?
Hey, Bill.
You want some oatmeal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, let me have the camera.
No.
Here we have our food processor, and this is the, I actually just got this one today. So like the, I'm assuming the ACOC hand blender. It was on Amazon for $28, and it comes as a hand blender, which I need, stick blender, a food processor, a blender, and a whisk. I needed that. So you need your measuring spoon. I just have a 1/4 cup and a 1/3 cup because I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I have some quick 1-minute oats. I also have old-fashioned oats, but I just put my hands on these first. I have some organic coconut milk powder, some lavender essential oil. So we're just gonna get, oh, and a bowl and a bowl and a spoon just in case. So first things first, we are going to, I'm gonna start with 2 cups of oats. I just want to make enough for a few baths at a time. That's 1 cup. Alright. Yes. You got pee-pee? You got pee-pee? Like, do you see that? Do you? And it went all the way through to the like top to bottom. I don't even have to stir it and remix. Like, do you see this? That's amazing. So, oh, someone's upset. Oh, he's okay now. Hey, don't touch. All right. So in the bowl, I'm going to put the oats in. Just go ahead and, oh crap, I forgot about that. Alright, so this is 2 cups of oats. So I'm going to say I'm going to add like a cup of the powder, oatmeal powder. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me see. Let mommy do it. Let mommy do it. I'll let you pour it in.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you pour it in?
Ready?
It's okay.
Huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Well, it's this is definitely not your.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you gonna help mommy?
Yeah.
All right, dump it. Boom.
Didi, oh, God.
Yeah. Like this stuff is so moisturizing. Like it doesn't even. Right, 1 more.
Oh, banana. Ow. Oh, that did.
And that's it.
Oh. I dig it.
It's sticky?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so we have that in, and I'm going to add about, yeah, I hear you over there, about 15 to 20 drops of lavender. So we're just gonna go ahead. I'm going to do this off camera because he's going to do it and it's going to take forever, so I will be back. Alright, so I have his bath set up. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I would say like this is like, what, maybe 2 tablespoons. And I'm just going to sprinkle it in the water. And let it do its job. You want to help? Alright, we're going to put a little bit more so my toddler can help. Alright, so this is what is left in his tub after his bath. So if this was in a regular tub, you of course have to put more in. So if you put what was needed for a regular tub versus this would be about this much left at the bottom, but mind you, it's very fine, and you can just wash this down the drain with your shower as you're letting the water out. You know, it's a very simple fix. And usually when I put stuff in his tub, it leaves like a little ring. I don't know if you could let me see if I can focus on it. No, not really. So it's like a little ring where the water was, because of the coconut milk, and my hand is making it worse. And that will probably be in your tub as well, but you know, you gotta clean up. So I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, that's it. See you guys later.